Right everyone, Reflector here. Thought I'd do a video on this Nitecore multitask series flashlight. It's the MT2A, which is 2 AA batteries. Right, so this is how you get it. This is from GearBest and it was £30.88p, and probably one of the best tools I've ever used so far. So this is how you get it anyway. There's the box. Just like that, you know. Inside the box you get the torch there, you get a warranty card there, and your basic instructions inside. Right, this is a 6-mode flashlight as well. So I'll go over in a minute. There's the flashlight there. The stuff inside, in the box, you get a lanyard, 2 spare O-rings, and the pocket clip. I don't really use those, so, but you get them out, and you also get a spare tail clip there, tail and button. So, right, I'll put them away. Right, so here's the torch, and what I'll do some indoor and outdoor tests as well. So, this is it. There's your switch at the bottom there. 6 modes are low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe, and then you get a user-defined mode, which is basically you can have turbo and any other option you want instantly. And another good thing I noticed with this, if you want to, you can set this to instantly strobe as soon as you turn it on, which is a good feature I've not seen in others. Right, so let's go over the actual body of the torch. So there's the switch at the back. You've got the sort of cut out, make it easier to press it. Some sort of knurling on the side there, and here it is 2 AA batteries. I've got some sort of cheap ones in here at the minute, but that's good enough to demo. It is waterproof to IXP8, which is pretty much, you know, submerged in a puddle, wouldn't do nothing to it. And impact resistance to 1.5 meters. Beam distance is 150 meters. There's your Cree LED, that'll run for 20 years at least. Hardened glass bezel there, with your sort of tactical head, doing some sort of pressure points, you know, if you know how to do them. And to do the different modes, you turn it on, and you basically twist the cap a little bit. That's on strobe at the minute. And each time I turn it off, it'll change. So I can't remember the combination. That may be high, medium, yeah, low, SOS, strobe. And then if you turn it all the way shut, instant turbo, and then loosen it to whatever the last setting was, strobe. So if you turn it off, turn it back to turbo, turn it off, and then loosen the cap, that should instantly strobe. That is strobing. I don't know how good it comes across on camera. I know strobe doesn't come across on camera very good. So that was the modes. Low is 15 lumens and will run for 50 hours. Medium is 50 lumens and run for 12 hours. High is 125 lumens and will run for 5 hours, and turbo is 228 lumens and will run for 2 hours 15 minutes. So that's the basics of it. Aircraft aluminium body, 15 centimeters long, 15.5 centimeters long, and about 22 mil thick. So what I'll do now, I'll show you the indoor tests and outdoor tests. as you can see, it's proper decent flashlights. One of the best I've ever owned, personally. It is the MT2A from GearBest. There'll be links below. If you get it from that, you get a bit of a discount, and it also does me a bit of a favour if you buy through the links I provide. But yeah, I'm well impressed with this. Well worth buying, really good quality. It's got a hard sort of, I can't remember how they describe this finish, but it's that sort of hard, you know, it's hard to chip this kind of finish. 3 LED, 2 AA. We had a 14500 batteries. I think it was a bit more powerful with a AA. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, well worth buying if you want to talk with multiple options. Low, high, medium, turbo, strobe and user defined. You know, I think that's brilliant. Right, so that's it. That is the Nitecore. The Nitecore MT2A, links are below. Hope you enjoyed the video.